Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian past pupils of Malta have signed an agreement with the government to manage an intergenerational project that provides social and economic housing for the elderly and young people. The new residence located in the capital, Varese, has undergone considerable renovation with the use of 1.6 million from EU funds. Speaking to the ANS, Mr. Bryant Magro, the president of the Maltese National Federation of Past Pupils, said this innovative project puts the emphasis on the values of community and social inclusion through the bond between young and old who will live together in a block of 23 apartments. After the successful opening of the Alberto Marvelli residence and the launch of the Mentor Power program for homeless and family-less young people, the Maltese Federation of Past Pupils is extending its social work programs to a new initiative which is guided by the values of social inclusion. For the second time in less than 2 weeks, Salesian voices were heard again at the United Nations High-Level Political Forum, HLPF. Sister Alessandra Smerli, FMPA, Under-Secretary at the Vatican Dicastery for Integral Human Development, and Father Andre Maitilian, SDB of Haiti, were both on the panel of one of the official site events held last July 12. The event titled Faith Without Borders, Partnership of Catholic Governments and Organization to Reduce Inequalities in the Post-COVID Era in Spain was jointly organized by the Justice Coalition of Religious based in New York and Redes, Spain, Red de Entidades para el Desarrollo Solidario, Network of Solidarity Development Bodies. At the beginning of the year, Redes, through Angel Gudinea of Missiones Salesianos, had contacted Father Thomas Palithanan, the representative of the Salesian missions at the United Nations, to organize a site event during the HLPF 2021. Rigorous and efficient planning made this event possible. This initiative also opened the door to future collaborations for joint advocacy initiatives. The Don Bosco Technical School of Sumba, in harmony with the Laudato Si of Pope Francis, has created an activity in favor of the environment by cleaning the coastal area of Minanga, Aba Sumba Island in eastern Indonesia from waste. From June 13 to July 10, the preparation course for perpetual profession was held, in which 26 young Salesians, aspiring priests and coadjutors from the regions of South America and Inter-America participated. The course, which has been taking place in Mexico for several years, is currently the result of the collaboration of the Salesian theologians of Guatemala and Taquepaque, as well as CRESO, the regional center for specific formation of the Salesian coadjutor, also located in Guatemala. 4 weeks were dedicated to the deepening of different themes related to the vocation of Salesian religious life in the perspective of consecration throughout life. A particularly rich moment of the experience was that of the Ignatian spiritual exercises held in the Bethsaida house of Amatitan, Jalisco. Some participants will issue perpetual profession in the coming days, others in the following months, and still others are already perpetual Salesians but have not had the opportunity to live this experience, mainly due to social distancing and restrictions for travel abroad necessary to cope with the pandemic. On July 17, Monsignor Eddie Milson Tadeo Canavaros, Auxiliary Bishop of Manaus, ordained the Salesian Rafael Gustavo Lopez, a priest, in the presence of Father Ricardo Carlos, Superior of the Salesian province of Campo Grande, BCG. From 13 to 15 July, a workshop was held virtually for the directors of the Salesian provinces of the United States East and Canada and the United States West, in the presence of the respective provincials and provincial council. The first day was led by the councillor for the Inter-America region, Don Hugo Orozco, who, after meeting the participants, shared his life and his ministry as a new regional councillor, providing some observation and plans for the dialogue with the participants. Father Ivo Silio, General Councillor for Formation, and Father Silvio Rogia of the same dicastery led the work of the second day, providing information on the Ministry of the Salesian Director, including an overview of the new Director's Manual. On the third day, some guidelines of GC 28 were shared, and Father Mel Trinidad, SUO Inspector, and Father Tim Zach, SUE Inspector, shared with the participants of the respective provinces their perspectives, visions, and plans. Loving God, we place before you the disease and pandemic that is still present in the world, especially as it has become even more so close and real to us. Send us your spirit of unity and cooperation and help us work together, respect one another and seek each other's good as we face its challenges. This is the essence of our prayers and aspirations as the third wave of the pandemic with its variants and deviants hit us and made Indonesia Asia's COVID-19 new epicenter, overtaking India. It is also an expression of our realization finally that our actual enemy is not COVID-19 but rather egoism, self-centeredness, complacency and indifference. This year, the Don Bosco Oratory celebrates 150 years of Salesian presence in Varese as on July 22, 1871, St. John Bosco signed with the municipality of Varese an agreement with which he assumed the responsibility of leading with his congregation the city's civic college. To revive the memory of this historic event, Wednesday, July 22, 2021, on the occasion of the 150th anniversary of the signing of the convention, the Don Bosco Oratory organizes the historical reenactment of that day, so important for the Salesian House but also for the whole city. During the morning, the figures together with the members of the municipal administration will stage the moment of signing the convention in a room made available by the municipality. After that, the group will move to the then Civic College for a remembrance on the spot. All the moments of the celebration will be carried out in compliance with anti-COVID rules. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.